Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm actually doing a couple small mods, but together will be, I think, a big improvement for this car on the Track R53. Of course, my favorite Black Flag USA shift boot delete, as well as the MMS Auto Sport shift knob to go with it. Very excited. The shift knob it came with doesn't like to stay on, so this will give me not only height and more grip, but it is also replacing the shift knob that does not want to stay on. So overall, I'm very excited for these few things. They might be small, but together I think it's going to be a big difference for this car. So let's get started.
I've been deeper, but I have to stay afloat. It's not easy. Be a person you don't want. Can somebody take me other thing? Going to do. Where's the life I? Where's my childhood? Is this called living? I don't know. Where's the life I? Where's my childhood? Is this called living? I don't know. I don't wanna grow. Don't live myself. I don't wanna grow. The things I left behind me. I don't wanna grow. Don't live myself. I don't wanna grow. The things I left behind me. Don't live behind me. Don't live behind me. Look behind.
Alrighty, here comes the fun part, which is pulling all of this out. Look at how dirty this thing is. This just, I don't know if you could see it on camera as much, but this thing's pretty dirty, so that's why we're gonna go ahead and clean it out. Yeah, look at the shift boot too. It's so dirty. This is why I like the deletes, because it's just significantly cleaner and easier to wipe down, but alrighty, that whole thing is out. And we can put the new one in. The dust plate and the little spring. As you guys know, these are the most difficult things to put on. They like to not go over this. So it's easier on a facelift than it is on a pre-facelift. So I apologize for those of you that have a pre-facelift. It goes down a lot smoother on this one. So here's just how I do it. Obviously, if you have your own way of doing it, feel free, but I get asked a lot how I do it. So I go like this and slip it down. That. You're not gonna hurt it, it's just rubber, so don't be afraid. And then this piece slips right over after the fact. Again, pre-facelift people, you might struggle a little bit more with that, just because it is a little bigger, so you have to apply a little more pressure on that dust plate. And then go ahead and slide the grommet in. Alright, after much frustration, I actually got this on. The dust cover goes over pretty easy, and so does the grommet, but getting them back together was kind of tough. Okay, I went ahead and cleaned this up. As you guys saw, it was pretty dirty. I tried to get in here the best I could. Alright. So it goes in this way. Make sure you have it facing the right direction. That could be easily confused, I am sure. Okay, and then flip it. And then we're going to put our screws in. One warning I do have on these when you're tightening them down, don't try and screw the screws all the way down. They are not meant to go flush super tight, because you will poke out the top. So just a warning, don't go ham or you're gonna put holes through your brand new shift boot delete. So don't do that. Delete. So keep that in mind when you're screwing them in very aggressively. Alrighty, so I just finished putting in the shift boot delete and cleaning the center console piece. Look how good it looks. I love it. It looks so good. It's so much cleaner. Honestly, this together looks really good. I think at some point I might spray paint these black, and I think that'll like make it look really good. I want everything in this car black, I think. So that might be in this piece's future. If you're wondering how to do that now, there's just these little tabs that clip in. So, you know.
Where's my shy head? Is this called living? Look behind. I don't know. Where's the life at? Where's my shy head? Is this called living? Look behind. I don't know. I don't wanna grow. Just live myself. I don't wanna grow. The things I left. Look behind me.
Our shift boot delete is in. Look at this. It looks so good, so clean. Okay, gonna put everything else back. Alrighty, now we have our shift boot delete in. We can go ahead and open our MMS Autosport shift knob. Woohoo! Alright, this one goes on way easier than the pre-facelift, simply because this stick is a little bit thinner than the pre-facelift. So if you have a pre-facelift, you might need to sand down the little plastic piece to fit this on better. It actually went smooth for once with these few things. Thank goodness. So yeah, that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.